We traveled 230 kilometers from Goa just to see this view.
Good morning everybody and greetings to everybody watching this video. Today is a day where we are going to go on a road trip to a beach in Karnataka, and it has a beautiful view. It's like a beautiful beach where you can capture really good drone shots as well. I think it's around 153 kilometers. I'm carrying is my drone bag. I've got the Mavic 3 Classic, and I did check whether Maravante beach comes under the red zone, but it does not, so I'm on the safer side. If you guys can see that I am wearing a One Piece t-shirt. I'm a huge One Piece fan and it reminds me of adventure and stuff. The other thing what I am wearing is this sunscreen jacket by Blue Tiger, and so basically I had purchased this because when we go for pre-wedding shoots and all, like, you know, we tend to get tanned because we are out in the sun. This is Evander's bike. You guys must have seen in my previous vlog. Actually, I've not uploaded it yet on YouTube, but I'm saying previous vlog because it might go on April 3rd, at least, a video where I take a ride of this bike. Guys, this is Evander's cat over here.
Hey you! Hello!
Look at that catwalk. I just realized last time when I had gone to Bangalore, that time Rachel was telling me both the people need to wear helmets. So since we are going to Karnataka, might as well take my helmet and go. We just completed 108 kilometers. This is the bike over here, that's my helmet, and Evander over there. We have stopped at this dhaba to eat some breakfast, and my ass is hurting so badly. It's my first time. My lower back is getting to that level right now. Still there's more kilometers to run, but I can feel it in my lower back. Yeah, wait, 110 kilometers, yes, 110 kilometers and more. So we had to complete 230 kilometers, 227 or 229 kilometers. So you can do the math. I think we need to make 50 kilometers stops because my ass is hurting. Okay, I was just reviewing the footage. I really need to trim this area. There are trucks who stop over here because they do travel a lot, and I think they come over here to eat breakfast or lunch. While I was sitting behind the bike, I realized one thing. Good, I carried a helmet. Now obviously I carried it because there's a law here that both of them should wear helmet, but I realized that helmet was needed. Good that I carried it. One thing, I felt safe. I think if I was not wearing a helmet, then I wouldn't feel comfortable at all and I felt a bit scared. The last dhaba had no food ready. Plus, we felt that it was a bit unhygienic. I mean, it was a bit like, you know, dirt. We were like, you know, might as well go ahead and see if we can find something else. We found this veg restaurant, which looks quite decent, and might as well come over here and eat. We have ordered the masala dosa. We both have ordered the same, and we have ordered 2 Mosambi juice as well. I'm not sure when it's going to come. So we just got done with our breakfast. The breakfast, I would rate it 6.5 out of 10. It was good. Right now we are going to head toward the beach, another 130 kilometers. We have come to this petrol pump, Indian Oil petrol pump. Evander has planned to basically make sure that in his bike the fuel goes to 0, and we filled fuel in a 1 liter bottle so that, like, you know, so that we can test like how much mileage his bike is giving. We have reached the location and right now it is 11:40. It is tiring and it was tiring to travel. all the way over here, roughly around 230 kilometers, sitting on the bike, no joke. So you're just going to cross there, take a shot or something, show you guys how it looks like. And also then later on we're going to take a shot of Evander riding the bike. But before doing all that, right now we might have a fresh lime soda, and definitely we need water, so need to buy at least 2 bottles of water so that it can help us like whenever we are thirsty, because as of now we do not have any water bottles. Sadly we don't have anything to drink, so there was a soft drink over there that was 7-Up. So we were like, might as well drink that. Obviously we're going to take water as well, but we just wanted something like a fresh lime soda. I just realized the name of this restaurant is Vitamin C. That's the coolest restaurant name I've ever seen. I'm gonna show you guys some drone shots also of this beach. I'm just a bit skeptical what if people are like, you know, other people are flying the drone and all that, but make sure the drone is at some height where most likely people might not fly their drone that high. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, while we were traveling here, there was a cliff, okay, like a mountain area, and there was someone's hut over there. I was shocked because how can someone live up there? And there was a guy, looked a bit homeless. Right now also I forgot to mention that it is 12:25 and it's not that hot also. On the way over here I was thinking what kind of people would go on a beach at around 12, but there are a lot of people over here. A lot meaning there are people here and it's not that hot, which is actually good for us. And right now I'm going to fly the drone. We are going to eat thali, which we saw on one influencer's reel basically. I think it's Foodie on the Roll. We've saved that reel, and yeah, we're gonna head over there and eat some amazing food. Came to this restaurant. It's called Sealand Restaurant. It's just like 5 minutes away from the beach. Not even 5 minutes, just two minutes away. I know I look exhausted and probably tanned. The thing is, I get tanned quickly. There's a vendor over there, just checking out where we can sit. And we have selected this one. Actually, this was the only thing that's available.
For tonight.
Okay, so we're just chilling over here. Vanda's gone out. I ordered for myself water and I'm going to finish this entire thing. Vanda ordered for himself fresh lime soda. Earlier we had ordered that 7-Up. Actually that was a bad decision that we ordered 7-Up. We should have had water, and after drinking this it just hit the spot. So we used our water bottles right now to wash our face and feel refreshed.
Bro, this is... I feel like having a bath with this right
Same
now.
dude. I think best for us, like as Goans or anyone living near the coast, it's the north, like Manali or something like that. Also, as you can see, I've used this water bottle to wash my face. The chicken tawa has finally arrived and it looks delicious actually. So let's squeeze the lime. And let's do a taste test of this.
It's good. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like a nice fancy chicken and all. It is kind of, I feel...
I don't know, I got somewhat Prashad masala.
Yeah, like, I mean, it's just like back home we eat the same thing, like something like that.
Yeah, this is the other item that has come. This is some kasturi or something, kasturi chicken or something. We have our fried rice also over here and it looks a bit different. There was no Szechuan sauce, so he's given us this sauce. So we're getting late somewhat to reach back home, and we need to eat this everything quickly and just head out. And I think I'm going to catch you guys like after eating all this. I'm going to rate the overall experience. We are finally done with lunch. I would overall give it a 7 on 10, not 7, 6.5 on 10. And this was the place, the first one, what you can see over there. That's where we were sitting. Now the time is almost like 10 minutes for 4, another 4 hours for us to reach home. It's like we're going to reach home roughly around 8:30, I'll say, because we obviously need to stop in between. I forgot to mention, if you all are around that beach, then do check out this restaurant that we visited. It is called Sealand Bar and Restaurant. You guys will find it on Google. It's time to say bye to this place. Bye. So Evander's tank finally is empty and there's no fuel left in it. Now the 1 liter is going to be helpful for us. So overall he will able to calculate now the mileage of the bike. 270 kilometers is what we rode, and so far the ride has been good, tiring also. And right now Evander is going to put the 1 liter in this tank. We just crossed the toll and we stopped to take some rest. We have a friend also over here. We're planning to have some tea. I was thinking to have tea in Goa, but I don't know. Let's see what Evander says. I think we're going to leave in another 5 minutes. Right now it's almost like 5:50. I think we're going to reach home at roughly around 9. Time for some tea taste test. Let's see. It's hot. It's damn hot. On 1 to 5, I would rate it a 2 with a slight sip. But yeah, I think we might go to Goa also and have some tea over there. I actually take back the 2 rating. I would give this a 1.5 because that was just a sip. On a sip, I guessed like it to be 2, but after having the entirety, 1.5. Hello, hi, what's up? There are a lot of stray cattle over here. One of them became a friend, that one. So I was just telling you, Amanda, that we look like those Counter-Strike people, like when we used to play in our childhood. They used to wear this mask.
Oh, a fan, bro.
Oh,
what's up, man?
I think it was the cops, like the good guys who used to wear this. I'm not sure. Actually, both of them used to wear. The terrorist as well as the cops. I'm all ready. I just need to wear my bag and then we're just heading home. Say bye to our friends. Bye. Finally, we have crossed Goa border. We were riding for almost 1.5 hours.
Oh, Dad. Fuck, my hands are gone.
My ass is gone. I don't know, man. I just want to sit on some flat surface. The moment we crossed Goa border, we started screaming. It's like donkey. Yeah, no? Oh my god. We have finally reached at Evander's place and we are super tired. Hope you all loved the video, loved the travel vlog. If you guys want more travel content, do subscribe and share it with a friend. Peace.